Apartment was clean and spacious and staff were super friendly. I will book again. The gentleman who welcomed us was absolutely brilliant, went above and beyond, very good at his job. Clean, well located, nice breakfast. Comfortable and nice feel to the superior apartment. Joel at reception was a great welcome and reflected a friendly, helpful stay. Great host. Only issue was a slightly loud AC which we couldn't set the fan speed, but on the overall it was small issue. Definitely a place we will return. Recommend, thumbs up emoji. Definitely worth a return visit. Quiet and calm. Best hotel bed we've slept in for a long time. Great shower and bathroom products, all facilities very clean. Very good breakfast menu served by friendly and efficient staff. Were welcomed by professional, friendly reception staff and checkout was managed again by a friendly, helpful receptionist who gave clear and easy to follow walking directions. Was pleased to each. This hotel was a bit of a surprise tbh, very clean and central to everything in the BNE CBD. We'll definitely stay there again. What a great place to stay, and the people were awesome. Would be booking there every time we stay in the CBD. If I could give more than 10/10 I would. Loved our stay here. Right in the heart of the city. Willie's and Bottle-O right next door, so very convenient. Continental breakfast. Spacious hotel apartment. Staff were so friendly and helpful, which was my highlight. Will definitely come back again. And immaculate, compact queen room. Very comfortable bed, everything you need. Staff friendly, lovely breakfast, thank you. Location is amazing, central to everything, didn't need a taxi for anywhere. Will definitely book again. Amazing location, beautiful old building with history. Awesome indigenous art. Great staff. Yummy breakfast. Gorgeous apartment. Absolutely didn't want to leave. I have always wanted to stay at Manor Apartment Hotel. Needless to say, I was not disappointed. The hotel was fantastic, clean, comfy, quiet, perfect location. Staff were polite and friendly. Big thanks to Paula for the hospitality. Staff were very polite and helpful. Excellent location, amazing room and breakfast is included. Fantastic deal, smile. I was skeptical upon arrival at the reception, but when we moved to the lift, the room and the ambience are all perfect. Super soft, comfy bed and everything is so nice and clean, not a bit of mold stain. Free beverage and toiletries are off quality. The breakfast is so greeted with a warm welcome. Lovely spaced room. However, my partner was a smoker, so every time he went down to smoke he had to take the keys to get back up to our level and room, which meant the aircon was turned off. Very clean, central to everything. Have been here many times over the years. I usually stay in a 2 or 3 bedroom apartments. This time it was a 1 bedroom. Apartment was well appointed. Bed could have been bigger and was a bit uncomfortable, but would stay again. Awesome place.